I guess a lot of you guys are quite familiar with what this is. It's a base plate for a mullion, held in by shields that go into the concrete floor, and they've got a back leg on it with a set screw to stop the post from rattling. We've replaced that with these, and they're selling like hotcakes. It's a high density polymer, and what it does, it stops the electrolysis, which deteriorates metal plates. Let me go back a little bit and touch up on a little bit of the history involving base plates. You might be familiar with this little guy. That's the mullion. All the fasteners holding that post in place are quite visible, which can be taken out anytime with any screwdriver. So someone wasted a lot of money on lockable, and they progressed to aluminum, again retaining that set screw in the back, which could never be moved anyway. A lot of people ended up getting rid of it completely. Being aluminum, they wear quite easy, they're quite soft. Being metal, they corrode. Post Latch came out with a ZA12 material, the zinc alloy. It stopped most of the corrosion from salts and whatever. However, there was a problem, not as much with that, but a lot of these other plates that we didn't realize was happening, and that was electrolysis. As the plates were being replaced, the guys were running into problems re-drilling the old anchors. We provided a solution to that, where the installer could actually grind the stubs that were sticking out of the floor out, and using tap cons could fasten this right over the top. In the meantime, we were carrying out tests on a new material, and that was with the help of DuPont. They suggested that we use a high density polymer. This polymer material is a non-conductor, so it stopped electrolysis. It has a capacity for high impact resistance, and it has terrific wearing capacity. And it looks good too. There's no bleeding, no rusting. Very clean. Sits inside the thresh. No visible fasteners. If you like this product, contact us. We'd be happy to work with you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.